Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JT Films, back at it with another YouTube video, another car review for you guys. Look at this beauty, y'all. The all-new four-door 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning, platinum four-wheel drive SuperCrew 5x5 box. Selling price is at $98,944. You got the anti-matter blue metallic color. Got your keyless entry right here. You also got automatic transmission, horsepower 563 horsepower, electric ZEV. Fuel economy, you get the 73 in the city, 60 on the highway as well. You got your electric gas cap, cap right here, and right here you have your automatic high beam headlights right here. Bada boom, bada bang. Got the F-150 Platinum right there. This will open. You just plug in the electric charger right there to charge the truck up. Got your lock button right there. As you can see, when you hit the lock button, your step railings right there will close into the truck. You got your four-wheel lock brakes right here. Boom. You got your security code right here as well. You got your lane departure collision sensor right there. Also got lightning badge right there. Got your backup camera right here. Got the F-150 right here as well, which is really cool. You got the lightning symbol right here, which is really cool. You got the American flag. Got your backup sensors right here as well. Really nice. You just press that button, trunk will open, the tailgate. Got some nice space right here. Got some plug-in bolts right here. Plug-in bolt. Get you a better view. Plug-in bolt right here. One right here. Right there as well. It's just nice. You also, just in case if your key battery dies right here, you can take the key out of this key fob and put the key inside here and unlock it. It'll open the door for you, which is a cool feature. I feel like it's essential for every car nowadays. So now, guys, we are inside the truck. As you can see, you got your display mounting buttons on the steering wheel. Got your power front driver window automatic button right here, and for the passenger side, which is really cool. Got your unlock and lock button right there. Got your black interior, black right there. Got the platinum symbol right here, which is really cool. And so, guys, you have your air condition in here. You got your active park assist 2.0 feature in here. You got your inside automatic dimming rear view mirrors. You also have your automatic temperature control. You also have your inside camera removal disc as well. You got your inside compass. You have your heated front seats. Heated front seats right there. Right here, I should say. And you have your power window. So there you go, guys. That's the review on the all-new 2023 F150 Lightning Platinum 4-wheel drive 5x5 crew box. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media outlets. That'll be at the end of the video, so feel free to follow me. I also respond back to my fans, man. I love you guys, man. I got 6 subscribers right now. It's gonna continue to grow, so I'm gonna have the content for you guys Wednesday and Saturdays. So make sure you guys keep your post notifications on, so it'll alert you anytime every Wednesday and Saturday that I drop during the week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.